Ahoy, skill builder! And welcome to another unauthorized OlaCast, a rumfield treasure hunt in the sharky waters around the Gatsby Islands. Without Queen Raae, I'm your host, Ola, and today we are going to create pages inside a Gatsby node. Yeah. Sorry about that. What are we doing? Creating pages with createPages, the createPages hook and markdown. Why? Because, well, no, actually, we're only going to create pages for some of the markdown files. So we're going to, filter. Why? Because that's tidier. And how? It's the 1, 2, 3 ABC. A mnemonic. Yeah, let me share my screen here. You guys are a little bit high up. I'm gonna pull you down. Like that. Isn't that better? Yeah, I say so. Okay, I gotta start my timer actually. That's good. Timer is going. 24 minutes. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, let's share that screen. Share it and add it to the stream. There you go. Okay. Oh, a comment. Yeah. Yeah. That's the queen there. Yeah. Okay. So you see my docs here. These are my docs. It's inside an issue over on my own website on GitHub here. So the link is in the description on YouTube. Okay, let's get started then. I'm going to be inside of this here. Wait, I'll turn off my light because it's glaring on the screen. You can still see me, can't you? Maybe I should do that. Okay, so I'm going to be inside of this Gatsby node. This Gatsby node here. I'm going to do everything in here today. I like it. Gatsby node. Okay. Let's get started. So here I have everything I'm going to do inside my comments. Wait a minute. Sorry. Wait a minute. Yeah. All the way up again. Yeah, I already have that here. Let's try it out. Okay, there you go. This is what we're doing today. 1, 2, 3, ABC. But first, 0. So down here, this is the createPages hook. Exports createPages hook from Gatsby. Async, and here I'm passing in Gatsby utils, which we will look at soon. And then inside here, bake markdown nodes into pages, which is what we're doing. And I'm passing in the Gatsby utils. So let's do that then. Here, it's async. Function. Bake markdown nodes into pages. What are those Gatsby utils? It's 2 things today. GraphQL. Actions. Right. I think I'll just put everything inside that. And let's put this in its proper place, which is a little bit higher up here. over this. I want you to be there. Okay. That was step 0. That's just a function. There's nothing. And we're getting the Gatsby utils here, which is not nothing. That is great. We need that. And yeah, filter. So now we're going to use that GraphQL thing. Const data. Oops. Wait. GraphQL. Yes. Like that. Like that. And we're going to do some. Have it built? It has built, yeah. We're going to do some stuff here. So we're going to use this. Unable to connect. That's very bad. No, there you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. And we're going to use this graphical. From Gatsby? Not sure. Let's pretend it's from Gatsby. Oh, look. My query is already here. Oh, that reminds me. I should show you. What are we building today? This here. This is the website of POW as it looks now. And we're not going to make it look this way, but we want this structure here where you have this here and a little button. So this, and then we have this here, and we're going to make it in markdown, or I'm kind of already doing stuff here, but we want this, and we want it to be here at the index. We want it to be here at the index. But yeah, no, well, actually, yeah, we're doing that now. So filter. Why am I filtering? Why do I call it filter? And I have this little coffee cup. It's only because of coffee filter as we use in Norway to make coffee. But I have this. This is like a file over here. I have all these markdown files here. So this one is like, yeah. So this is like take charge. This is, I'm not sure which of these that is, but here, this one is this one, this markdown file over here. And I don't want these. I only want to make a page for this here, not this, not this, not this, not this. I only want it to show up on this page like that. I don't want a bunch of pages with like a page which says this and stuff like that. All right, back to graphical. Here you go, graphical. I think I must close here too. Maybe I shouldn't close it. Maybe I should just make it a little smaller like that. Shrink it up. Yep. Look at this graphical. You're already showing me the query. So this is how it's going to look. Well, I'll take it away. I'll show you how to make it. Good. I click this Explorer here. It's a lovely piece of technology. Look at this tool. And then I'm going to click. So it's alphabetical. A, D, E, F. And I want this. All markdown remark. This is what I want. I look here all the way at the top. Filter. That's what I'm looking for here. Filter. And what am I filtering on here? File absolute path. And I want to use regex, and I want to use this index.md, and so file absolute path is a lot more than that, which it says here, but this is kind of what I'm regexing here, the index.md. That's what I want. I don't want this your pirate data.md. Don't make a page for that, or own words. No. I only want index here under index and index here under about, nothing else. All right. So now I'm filtering. I only get those. And then I want the nodes. Nodes. I want the ID. And we could do the file absolute path to it so that we see it. And I forgot what I was going to look at now. It's one of these. Is it fields? Yes, it's fields. Fields. Slug. This is all I want now. Here, I don't need anything more than this. Maybe I can go like that. Make it a little bigger. No. So this is my whole query here that I'm going to use in Gatsby Node. It looks like this. It's easier to see it later when I put it into Gatsby Node. I'll just do that. Now let's press play. Yeah. So here, the file absolute path is here, blah, 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 index.md. Blah, 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 index.md. I only have 2 here, even though it looks like I got a lot of stuff. I only have 2. Code exporter. I'll copy this now. No, I want the indentation. I like that. Let's clean it up a little. If I take away this here, prettify. Yeah. Okay, now you see it's only 2. It's easy to see now. It's 1, 2. This is what I want. Okay. Back to Gatsby Node. Doesn't that look good? Isn't that right? Yeah, now it's right. Okay. That's it. That's it. Step 1, filter. And now it's step 2. Baking song. Const baking song equals require dot solve parentheses. What do you columns? Dot src slash. Isn't it just templates right away? Oh man, it's not in src. This is src here. Oh, wait a minute. No. It is in src. Close that up. Here it is. src templates. Yes, templates. Right. Templates. So this is the recipe. This is the recipe. Oh, I have a comment from the Queen here. Ola is replicating the structure, and then I will add the styling using material UI. So she's talking about the page over here. I'm just replicating this structure here. That we want this here, and then we want this here, and a little sign up here and stuff. Yep. Okay, back to it. Require resolve, src templates, and then page templates. Page templates. .js. I think I'll use that. All right. Let's look at our docs again. Here are the docs. Now we're on 3, aroma node. I'm gonna copy paste this time. I am going to copy paste it. It's not that much, but it's gonna make it a little easier for me to just copy paste it like that. Okay, so Here it is. I'm looping over data, supplies, .nodes, and for each, I get this aroma node here. Here's a console log with it. And inside of that, I am using actions that we passed in up there, and this here create page. So create page is not create pages, which was the hook we used down here. It's not that. You see, there's got a little S. It's not this. It's not the same. It's got a little S. Sorry, I'm using two mouse things. It's got an S. It's not the same. And actions comes from up here. Actions. Look at that. Actions. Okay, so I need an aroma node path in here, but first I need to make it. I need to make that as a variable up here. Let's go back to the docs. Look at this. Const aroma node path. Yep. That's right. And whoa, what happened there? I don't need that. Go away. Go away. Yep. Doesn't that? Oh, I need to remove the comment. Sorry about that. I did it. I removed it. Okay. Back at it. Yep. Aroma node dot. So const. Wait. If I close it here, maybe I'll get it on one line. Let's try that. Yeah, no. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Maybe I'll get it on one line. Come on. Jump on the line. No. Save. I want you on that same line. Why can't you do that? Oh, sorry. Maybe I can. Okay, no. I want you up there. Like that. It's just a normal const. Nothing magical here. And here I say, yeah, aroma node fields of slug. If that equals index, which is what I'm using up in my regex. No, it's not. It's something else. If it equals, yeah, index without the MD. If that equals that, then I'm going to use this as the slug, as a path, If not, I'm going to use aroma node.fields.slug, which is the one I'm getting up here. Okay, so that's it. That's the aroma node path. The aroma node path. I'm going to do three things inside of create pages here, and A is the first. So path. And that is aroma node path. Wait, let's go to my docs. Is this right? This doesn't look right. Am I using that now? I should just have aroma node here, shouldn't I? Aroma node path. I'll do that. I'll try that. Aroma node path. That's what I want. Okay, next, that's A, aroma node path, aroma node path. Okay, no, don't do that. Now we're going to do B here. So I'll copy paste my comments from down here. Already did this. Okay. Save. How are we doing? Should we build it? Yes. Okay, B, baking song. So the component that I want create page to use, compo is baking soda. Baking soda. And you see it up here? I'm using that. Require resolve blah 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 page templates. That is what I'm using. And so that's it. That's B. That's it. That's it. And we're not looking at that. We're not looking at that. Here. We're not going to look at it. But this is kind of the recipe for the gingerbread house. This is and the dough, the gingerbread dough. So that's inside there. We're not looking at this now. We're going to stick to this because we're almost done. C, Gatsby ID. Context. Parrots. Gatsby. ID. Is aroma node ID, is it not only aroma node dot ID? You can't see it. I know what we need to do. We need to do this so we can see it. The ID is up here. Look at that. ID. ID. That's what we're using down there. Okay, how did the build go then? Cannot read property nodes or undefined. Whoa. That's interesting. I know why. No, maybe we should look at it while we do it. Let's do that. This is a great error message. It even says line 40. Okay. Let's look at line 40 then. Here. Data supplies. That's why. I call them supplies, not all markdown as you will see up here. I call them supplies because maybe you're not going to use all markdown. Maybe you're going to use sanity or contentful or another CMS like yes, Queen. Thank you. I thought so myself. It was a good catch. If you're going to use another CMS, that's why I call it supplies here, because then you can still keep. Doesn't it look like it's building now? Look at this. I still have an error. I still have an error, but this here about it's my console log. Oops. My mouse is a little insane. Yeah, we're not up here, we're down here. Where is my console log? This one. You see that I have this, sorry, the skull and the paper here, which is the same as down in my terminal here. So it looks like my about is working, and for some, I should have had actually my index also. I don't know why that's not showing up, but that's life. But that's not really, so that's working. I say, does this console log work? Yes, it does. So that means that the aroma node is working and this whole thing is working. Our data supplies is working. But wait, I need to mute myself. I mean, yeah. But we have an error here I'll use this other mouse that is a little less fast. Something is wrong here. With actions create page. Action create page was called outside of its expected asynchronous life cycle. I need some async thing here then. Should I have async? Should I have async actions now? Did I do async up on my... Yeah, I do async here. Async, await. Should it be async? I'm not sure. Let's see what it says here. Okay. Action create pages was called outside of its expected asynchronous lifecycle create pages. It's called outside of create pages? No. Bake markdown into pages. Exports, create page. Pages. It's called inside here, isn't it? I say it is. Maybe it should be async then. Try that. Async. Oh, he doesn't like that. I already have async. Await them. Is that better? You like that better, Gatsby? Oh, my timer is going off. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I'm getting help. I'm getting help. You need to await on line 64, and that's what I did. And now it looks like it's working. It's working. And look at this. Look at my console log now. I got both of them. I gotta stop my timer. This means that we gotta wrap up soon. 24 minutes is good, but it worked. And let's have a drink. A drink, a drink. Yep. You can't see him because he's so small, but this is the... Well, maybe I'll try to make you see him. If I unshare my screen like that... Oh, I need to take away comments. Don't forget to take away comment. If I unshare my screen, you'll see me big. Can you see him? That little round thing there? Come on, focus. Focus, camera. Yes. You had it. There he has. This guy, he's got hair like a kraken. His hair looks like the kraken in Pirates of the Caribbean. It's hard to see it. It's hard to see it. His hair looks like the kraken in Pirates of the Caribbean. And you know what his name is? Döbelius. He's Swedish. He's Swedish. Döbelius. Oh, that wasn't. Oh, okay. Döbelius. Dö means death. That's a great name. I'd like to propose a toast to Crown Prince Håkon Magnus. Wherever you are, cheers! Yeah, it's Fastelavn Sunday today. I don't know if the Queen is aware that it is the Fastelavn Sunday. And what we used to do when I was a kid, we used to bake this bolle, which is like a... I don't know, bolle. It's like kind of a... whatever, a bolle, and then you would cut it in two and then open it up like that and then put lots of cream, whipped cream inside. Fastelavns bolle. And then we ate them and we drank hot cocoa. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right, we did that. All right, if this works now, I am supposed to see it. I'm supposed to see it in my local hosts. It does look very good to me. Look at this, local hosts. I'm not going to click it because I want to have it in Firefox. Here. Local hosts. Look at this. Look at this Pardon my French, but this is great. This is what I wanted. Where's the other page? Let's compare them side by side. Look at this. Here is the real POW page. And here is the new. So this is the real one. You see it's a good little logo up there and everything. Log in. This actually works. This is in Squarespace. I don't know if you know it. Squarespace. It's good. It's good. We like it. We like it here. And so this is in Squarespace. This is how it looks today. You can go in here, you can sign up, pay 45 dollars for a year. But this is now, so look at this. POW, the privacy first. Yeah, it's supposed to be small like that, but I'm not doing layout or what do you call it. I'm not going to make it look good. I'm just going to put everything in its right structure. The structure, wasn't that what the Queen said? I'll put up her comment again. Ola is replicating the structure, and then the Queen will add the styling using Material UI. Yeah, Material UI is great, but I am not great with making websites look good. Gotta practice that if I'm going to be better at it. But we're not doing that with POW. I'm going to practice this here, structuring it. And I love structure. I don't actually love good-looking websites at all. Sorry for you people. I'm not looking down on you or anything. It's cool that some of you love them, but I don't. I love structure. So I made a structure here. So you see here, sign up. Doesn't look like a button, but you could click it. You won't get anywhere. But then I can create that thing where you end up and you click that. And look at this, to do. Or log in if you already have an account. Look at this. Or log in. Look at this. Your private data. To do. Link to the Wall Street Journal. Like that. To do. Bullets. Link to BuzzFeed. Yeah. And look at this. Your own words. Here it is. And what I did not want, as I said, so this is kind of, it's working. It's working. Okay, the Queen says something. The foundation of the web is semantically correct HTML. Yep. The foundation. Oh, look at this. I also got this. Yoo-hoo! Okay, so let's sum this up here. I'll take off my coding gloves. Just on one hand. And cheers. And if you're watching this in the morning, coffee. Can you see it? Yeah, I'm small. I forget that all the time. My head is small when my head is small when I'm sharing the screen, but you can still see this if I do it close. What, why, and how. So what? Create only the pages for these two index.md markdowns, not all the other files over there. I'm going to show you soon. Why? Because we don't want a bunch of pages like double content kind of thing. It's messy. We want it to be tidy. So here you see all these markdown files here. We only want page for that and that, not this. Okay, let's go back. Yeah. So that's why we want it to be tidy. And how did I do it? 1, 2, sorry. 1, 2, 3, ABC. I'll hang it up again. This is my tasker belt task here. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. It's very good. Well, I am doing structure here on the internet, but also I have structured my skill builder session today with this mnemonic here. And you remember I did one filtering this here. Wait. One filter, and I say it's a little coffee cup because in Norway we make coffee with a coffee filter. Well, maybe you do that where you are too, but you have like a machine, put in the filter, put in the coffee, put in the water, and then coffee comes out. That's why I use the coffee emoji for filter. One, filter. Two, baking song. This is my baking song here. Three, aroma node. And that is this here. Data, the supplies you're going to bake with, the nodes, and for each an aroma node. Yeah. And then that's 1, 2, 3. And then inside of create page dot actions dot create page. Inside of that, we're doing ABC. Like that. So aroma node path, the baking song. Again, we're using the baking song that we made, and C, Gatsby idea. So A, aroma node path from here. Const aroma node path, that's just a normal const variable, nothing special about that. And then we have like a, what do you call it? Ternary blah 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 thing, which basically says aroma node dot fields dot slug equals index /index/. If that's true, then I want this. So that means that here on localhost slash, in a way, this is kind of the slash, the index. I'm not calling it. I don't want it to be index here. Oh, sorry. I don't want it to be index here. I want it to be just slash. But if it's index, I want it. So that's what I'm doing here. But if it's, for example, about, which is the other page, then I'm going to use aroma.fields.slug. So that means if I do about, I get the about. This is the about. Okay. That was A, aroma node path. And the baking song, that is the recipe for baking gingerbread house pages. We're not looking at that today. Maybe we'll do that some other day. And then C, Gatsby idea. Gatsby ID is aromano.id. And why do we, what's the point with this here? This is a prop, Gatsby ID, that I'm passing over into my baking song, and then I'm using this prop in the GraphQL query I have in that page template. We're not looking at that today, but but we can do that any day you like. Just call me, and that's it for today. Yeah. This has been another OlaCast skill builder. I mean, should I play? I should play probably. Sorry about that. I'll play. I just need to stretch over here for the music. Is it ready? Yes, it's ready. This has been another unauthorized OlaCast skill builder. Rum fuel treasure hunt in the shark waters around the Gatsby Islands. Without Queen Raae, I'm your host, Captain Ola. Remember to smash that like button, friends. Well, actually, Queen Raae helped me a lot on this one, so it was Queen Raae. Bye now.